Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Vishakha Thakur.
We have got all the major global cryptocurrency news from the past week for you in this show. But before we start, let's cut across to Manoj Dhara for the market check.
So Bitcoin is currently consolidating around $94,000 as of Friday, maintaining a 10% gain from earlier this week. And this week's rally was fueled by the strong institutional demand, with the spot exchange-traded funds registered a $2.7 billion in inflows, that is as of by Thursday. A risk-on sentiment continues to dominate the market, bolstered by the pro-crypto Paul Atkins being swearing in as the new head of the US Securities and Exchange Commission.
Thanks, Manoj. In a bold move showing its unwavering faith in cryptocurrency, Strategy has snapped up an additional 6,556 Bitcoin for $555.8 million.
So announced on April 21st, 2025, the purchase solidifies the company's lead as the largest corporate holder of BTC, now boasting a staggering 538,200 coins.
So to date, the firm has poured $36.47 billion into Bitcoin, acquiring its 538,200 coins at an average price of $67,766 each. The latest batch cost roughly $84,785 per Bitcoin, reflecting higher market prices and fees.
So despite recent fluctuations, Strategy's holdings now represent nearly 2.5% of Bitcoin's total supply.
That's great. Moving on, Tokyo-based Metaplanet has acquired an additional 145 Bitcoin, bringing its total holdings to 5,000 Bitcoin as part of the firm's ongoing Bitcoin treasury operations.
The firm disclosed that it bought the 145 BTC for around $13.4 million. The average purchase price of all Bitcoin held by Metaplanet now stands at $89,000 per Bitcoin.
So Metaplanet Chief Executive Simon Jerowich noted in an X post that following the latest purchase, Metaplanet has reached 50% of its initial goal of 10,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2025.
Moving on, Sol Strategies unveiled a $500 million convertible note facility to boost its Solana-focused investments, sending its shares up 18%, ultimately settling with a 7% gain.
So holding over 26,000 Sol tokens, the firm leads the charge for public companies adapting Bitcoin treasury strategies to alternative digital assets.
Meanwhile, DeFi Development Corporation, formerly Genoa, added $9.9 million in Sol to its treasury, bringing its total holdings to 317,273 tokens valued at $48 million.
Moving on, Trump, marketed as Donald Trump's official crypto token, rallied on Wednesday as an invitation to a dinner event with the US president for token holders appeared on the project's website.
The invite is targeted for the 220 largest token holders. As per the event's website, the token surged over 70% following the news, briefly hitting $16, its strongest price since early March.
And later, it traced to below $13, still up 30% over the past 24 hours. Now, despite the rally, Trump coin still trades more than 80% below its January 19 record price of $73.
Right. So moving on, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has proposed switching the Ethereum virtual machine to RISC-V as the new foundation for smart contracts.
Yes, and Buterin argued that this change could improve the efficiency of the network's execution layer and address long-term scaling problems.
So this proposal comes at a time when Ethereum's network usage is at its multi-year lows. Sentiment data shows that the average transaction fees dropped to $0.16 in April, the lowest figure recorded since 2020.
And the drop is due to a decline in Layer 1 activity as users move to Layer 2 solutions for faster and cheaper transactions.
Although the upcoming Pectra upgrade is scheduled for May 7th, Buterin's post suggests that deeper structural changes may be required for the blockchain to remain competitive and scalable.
Moving on, Russia's finance ministry and central bank are reportedly planning to launch a crypto exchange for qualified investors under an experimental legal regime.
The platform will be aimed at super qualified investors, Finance Minister Anton Sulanov said during a ministry meeting, according to April 23rd report from Russian media group RBC and Russian news agency Interfax.
Moving on, Ripple's XRP has shocked the markets, overtaking even the mighty Bitcoin as the most traded crypto in India for Q1 2025.
According to CoinSwitch, India's largest crypto exchange, XRP snatched 13.3% of all trades, leapfrogging 8 ranks since December 2024. That's a meteoric rise, dethroning Shiba Inu and pushing Bitcoin to second place at just 8.4%.
So the launch of Trump's strategic crypto reserve, which has named XRP as a key player, combined with the ongoing meme coin frenzy, is also fueling new momentum.
Additionally, a growing wave of Indian traders is abandoning traditional stable portfolios in favor of high volatility investments.
So while Bitcoin remains the dominant choice for long-term holdings, accounting for 6.9% of the market, Ripple surge serves as a bold signal of India's increasingly savvy and speculative crypto crowd.
Moving on, German automotive giant BMW announced on Wednesday that it will soon integrate AI functionalities from Chinese AI maker DeepSeek into its vehicles in China.
With this, BMW joins other Chinese manufacturers including Geely, Zeekr, Dongfeng and additional automotive firms in using DeepSeek's AI.
So global giants like Toyota, Volkswagen, Ford and General Motors, among others, have also incorporated AI systems for various purposes, including infotainment, driver assistance systems, autonomous driving modes, navigation systems and more.
So that's all in this episode of Weekly Wrap. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.
And this is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV. And for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3.tv.io or scan the QR code. Have a great weekend.